Just thought I'd make a little update video on the Jeep. Just back from my holidays, so just getting around to it. The Jeep has been laying up for the past months now due to the brakes quitting. The caliper at the far side had seized up. That's why it's sitting down there. Made that wee cover for the console. I need to find something to stick this here mirror back on with. It's just really heat. It came off. I also painted this here whole quarter panel, as it was completely rotten around this here, so it was. But luckily it was only surface rust, so cleaned that all up. And then later during the week I'm going to clean up this engine bay and paint this here cover. But I want to put a battery in here and see what to fire up. Well, the battery's been charging for about 7 hours now. It's only been on a slow charge, but should be alright just to get it going. The battery has died a few times on me, so it's probably a bad battery. The Jeep still has no exhaust, so probably will be a bit loud. 3 weeks since the last started.